Good morning everybody, it's day 54 and it's part 1 of this episode. Now in part 2 I'll be giving the answers to the competition and we'll be announcing the winner as well. So another early get up. It's quite nice this morning, it's not too cold. There's no dew in the field at all, looking around. Not very dewy, no frost. So, yeah, we're just en route to get the camera, as we always do, first thing in the morning. And we'll see what we have to report. And then we'll carry on the walk and see if there's anything else to show you of interest. Right, let's crack on. I can see the fox. I think it's down there. Is he looking at us? Great to catch a glimpse of the fox early morning. Now it was in a field, opposite field, and there's a fence all the way around. It's a relatively new fence, so how it got through there so easily, I don't know. I know foxes can get through pretty tight spaces, but yeah. There must be a gap in the fence there, but I don't know how, because it looks like I say, a relatively new fence. So I took a bit of a gamble last night by placing the camera on the tripod. Because it wasn't actually out in a field, more on a well-trodden path, I thought I might get away with the dreaded dew on the lens. Now I've just collected the camera and there was a little smidgen of dew on there, so at what time that appeared I don't know. Has it hampered any of the footage? I don't know. We will check later and I'll show you, of course. Right, let's continue with the walk. So this is that crabapple tree I showed you 1 or 2 videos ago, and you can see now it's well past its best as regards the blossom. So I can only assume that's part of the process of producing the apples. There's a lot of scent around this morning. It's everywhere. Perhaps in part 2 of the video, as well as giving you the answers and announcing the competition winner, I may have something else to show you as well. All to be revealed. Not today. Running again. You've got wings. Meep meep. Swing number 2. And swing number 3. Looks like somebody's already been on that. So the bait had gone again. I placed it pretty close to the camera last night. There was it was actually a breeze block in the middle of the path. So yeah, I just put the bait on there and set the camera right by it. Hopefully we'll get some close-up shots. That's if it captured the fox prior to the dew. Ramson Wood isn't quite looking at its best now. You can still smell it though. Good morning everybody, and welcome to the second part of this episode. It's day 55 of lockdown, and without further ado, let's see the answers to the questions, and let's see how you all did. So, did you get it? What is the name that appears on my jacket that I wear pretty much every video? Well, it is Montaigne. And it's a great jacket. Hope we got that one right. So in a previous video, because of all the wild garlic and ramsons, or wild garlic / ramsons, I renamed my local woodland Ramson Wood. Did you get that one? So there you go, there's the answers to all the questions. I want to say a massive thank you to everybody that took part. And now, let's see who the winner is. Right, okay, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. And to build up the tension, we're going to do things in reverse order. You can see there we've got 6 names. And we have a dice here. Now, Jan and Roy, they only got 4 out of 6, so they're automatically in 6th place. So here we go. You're looking out for your number. I'll try and keep the dice in shot. So in 5th place we have number 6, Jo Davies. And in 4th place we have number 6. We have, oh, that's just gone out of shot. I'll just move the, there we go. Number 2, April Turner in 4th place. So we're down to the final 3. Who's going to be in 3rd place? My dice rolling isn't very accurate. You can see there, number 3, which happens to be Jan and Roy. They've already been in 6th place. Number 1, Mick Turner, 3rd place. So we're down to the final 2. We're looking for a 4 or a 5. 6 again. 5, Paul Outdoors, 2nd place. So the winner by default is Ian Coulson. Well done, Ian. You are the competition winner. So, big well done to Ian Coulson. If you could just drop me a message, Ian, with your address, then I'll be able to get your prize posted out to you when it arrives. Right, I did make a couple of schoolboy errors previously. When I placed the camera, I placed it on a tripod, hoping that I might get away with the dreaded dew, but no, I didn't. So I definitely won't be using the camera on the tripod again. My second schoolboy error was that I had the camera set on photo only. So even if there wasn't any dew, it wasn't going to take any video footage. So I must make sure that I check the camera and don't just assume it's set to the right settings. Right, so for the first time in over 50 videos, this morning I will not be collecting the Victor HC100. And the reason for that being, I've bought a new camera. This is the APEMAN H55, and I've decided to up my game. I really like the other camera. The Victor HC100 was a really good camera, but I've given that to my mum and dad because they've now got hedgehogs in the garden, so they're going to be using that to try and capture the hedgehogs. This camera, I looked at loads of different cameras and I went for this one. Reasonably priced. It's 20 meg, allegedly. It's got no glow infrared LEDs, so it won't be spooking the foxes or whatever, as we've seen on other videos. And it also has an anti-fog lens, which might come in handy if I do get any more dewy mornings. It's not too bad this morning, but that's something else I'm hoping might benefit us when trying to capture the foxes on film. The only thing is, I bought some new rechargeable batteries. There's 8. There's 8 in this camera. A lot. I spent a lot on rechargeable batteries, only to find that they weren't fully charged, so I had to charge them. So I've only got another set of batteries in here that weren't fully charged either, so I don't know whether it's actually functioned correctly, because I know the infrared can sometimes drop out if your batteries are a bit low, so we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, this is my new camera, and hopefully we'll get some good footage with it. Having watched the footage back from yesterday's video where we spotted the fox in the field, it clearly just goes under the fence. It's either scraped out sort of entry point, or there was just a natural gap there in the ground. But yeah, that's where it went. It just went straight under the fence. Imagine my amazement when I was sat watching telly last night and this little guy appeared on telly. The very same guy. Apparently, he's a character in one of the Toy Story films. I think he's called Mr. Spork. I didn't realise we had famous actors in these woodlands. Now I want to give a bit of a shout out to Jan and Roy. They didn't quite get all the questions right. But one of the questions they got wrong was what was the name that appears on my jacket. I was quite surprised at this because they bought me the jacket. Thanks, Mum and Dad. Right, well, that's day 54 and 55 of lockdown, and also the competition winner was announced. Well done to Ian Coulson. Your prize will be in the post shortly. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Hope you enjoyed the competition. Maybe I'll do another one further down the line. Let me know if you enjoyed it and if you'd like another competition. So yeah, if you did enjoy that, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is just up here, or the one down below. Don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video or competition, and we'll see you on the next one.